So what is up everyone, Heman this side, and in this video we are going to learn how we can make this amazing looking website with the help of Claude Code, ChatGPT images and Gemini. And we'll be using Claude Code for the code of this website, ChatGPT images for the images and Gemini for the video creation. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So for the design inspiration, we'll be using Pinterest.com. We'll head over to Pinterest, click on the search bar here and click and search surreal art. After that, we'll be able to find a good inspiration. Let's click and see this design. This looks good. I'll just expand the view and see more designs. I like this one better. And click on copy image. The image has been copied to our clipboard. We'll go head over to ChatGPT for the image creation purposes. Paste the design here and convert this image into landscape and hit enter. After that, ChatGPT will create the image for ourselves. So here's the final output. This looks good. We'll just download it for ourselves. After that, we right click and click copy image and the image would be copied. We'll head over to Gemini, paste this image here and write this prompt. You can find all these prompts in the description box below, so you need not worry about that. Just head over to the description box, click on the link and you'll be able to find a Google Doc containing all these prompts for you to copy and paste in your project. So after writing the whole prompt, we'll just hit enter and use the Pro model for creating the video of this image. Create video and let's just send it up. It will take some time to create a video and here it is ready with us. Let's open it and see how it looks. This looks good and we are moving through this pane and we can see the tree for ourselves. Let's just download the video and head over to Gemini Watermark Remover.io and go over to video section, upload our video here. This is done to remove the Gemini watermark at the bottom right corner. Let's just download this video and see. And it has successfully removed the watermark for us. The video looks good. Let's close it up. Head over to VS Code. Make a new directory for our new project here. Then head back to ChatGPT to create the next part of our website. So here's the prompt for that as well. We'll copy it up, paste it up here, click on create image and hit send. After that, ChatGPT has created the second image for the second section of our website. We'll just download it for ourselves. Head back to Gemini. Upload the image here and write this prompt that we used to write before. Copy and paste. Also, the cloud should be seen moving too. Hit send and our video will be ready in a few seconds. It has given us a few frames of our previous video as well in the start of this video. So we can definitely trim it out from this video. No need to worry about that. This video looks good. Let's download it and let's do the trimming part. Okay. I'm using my MacBook's inbuilt trim feature for this purpose. You can use any online tool to remove the starting parts of this video. Now let's convert this video into frames. We'll just use our previously created video, upload it up here. In FPS section, we'll be just increasing the value to 10 and extract frames. Now we'll just remove the few sections, like the first few frames of this video that doesn't look good, and see if any else needs removing as well, and then click on download button. After that, we can see all our frames here in this folder. Let's just copy it up and push it into the VS Code folder that we just created and move it up here. Then goes the second video. Drag and drop it here. We'll be using 6 frames per second for this one. Extract frames. Remove the few frames that we don't want. Check it once. Okay, this looks good. And download zip. After that, we extract it and paste it again into the directory that we'll be working on. Yeah, it has been successfully pasted there. Head over to VS Code and we'll be writing this prompt. You can definitely find it in the description box below, so no need to worry about that. So let's write this complete prompt here. We'll be adding the folder that we have just moved in this directory for the purpose of the scrolly effect of this video. So whenever we scroll, we move through the frames one by one, so it gives the scroll effect. That is called scrollimation. So we'll be doing that for both of the frames that we have saved for our videos. And continue the whole prompt. Just head back to Pinterest for hero section design inspiration. Get a good one. Right click to copy this design and paste it back into VS Code. And we'll be giving it the reference that we need to use this design's typography and style for our hero section. Now we just send it up and use the model Sonnet for this purpose and let Claude do its magic. After this is complete, it will give up the link on which we can see our local hosted website. We'll just open up Chrome and paste the link there, and we can find our website here. And here you can see how beautiful this website looks. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something from this. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, because I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned for more amazing content.